What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ. Just thought I'd show you a quick little video of my exhaust setup here in my studio. Now this is, I do just spray Createx water-based paints in here, so just need a little bit of filtration. All I have, cheap little $20 fan from Walmart, a little box fan, and then a 20 by 20 house filter. So these two just made up perfectly. And then all I do is take a little masking tape and get this taped up, put it in my window here. There you have it. There we go. There's my little exhaust. Simple and easy. That's all I had for you this time. Till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.